Oh, happy. Okay. Afifa, are you happy?
Happy, Miss.
Actually, I'm a little bit nervous. Take a deep breath. Okay. So, oh, let me check your attendance first. Here is my pen. Livia, Marilla, Nabila, Natasha, Mila, Amira, Mila, Mita, Syauki, Bima, Farhan, Ilfa, Casey, Randi, Ikma, Salma, Afifah, Gina, Dea. Okay, so you are all present today. Good job, you are very spirit. Okay. I want to before we start our lesson today, let's pray together. Pray together. Amin. Please smile, guys, because I'm nervous. So if I see that you are not smile, I will be more nervous. Like that.
Yes, Miss.
I want to ask you what was our material in the previous meeting? Direct and indirect speech. Okay, good job. You remember well. And today we still learn about direct and indirect speech. But if last meeting we talked about we read the text about direct and indirect speech. Now I want you to write the dialogue that contains direct and indirect speech, and later you will present them in front of the class. Before that, I have 3 papers. Who want to take it? Nabila. Nana penit. Okay. Boys, we want? Johnny. Just take it. Okay. From Nabila, can you open the paper? Can you read what is that? What is in the paper?
I will go to the mall after class.
I will go to the mall after
class.
Okay. Amira,
Yes, Miss.
can you tell me what Nabila said before?
Nabila said that she will go
The
to
mall?
the mall after this class.
Okay. Nabila, can you write what the sentence in your paper in a word? Yes. Thank you, Nabila. And Amira, can you write what? Can you report it? What she said? What she write? What Nabila write? What is this?
Direct.
Okay, and what Amira write is
Indirect.
Okay. So, is this correct? Yes. You don't remember our material yesterday? If we want to make indirect speech, we change the tense. Do you know tense?
Yes.
When simple present, we change it into the past. So, this is correct. Nabila said that she will, we change it into okay. Okay. Let's go to the next. Next. Ilfa, can you open your paper? Please read it.
Do you understand the material?
Do you understand the material? Gina, can you say what Ilfa? Can you tell me what Ilfa said?
Ilfa said that gimana? Ilfa said that do you understand the material?
Oh, like that. She asked or she tell?
She told us. She asked, do you understand the material?
Okay, thank you. Ilfa, can you write what you get? Can you see? Oh. And Mina, can you write the indirect speech?
Yes, Miss.
Okay. Just like what you know. There is eraser there, Ina, my dear Ina. You can entertain us. Do you want to come here to sing? Okay, thank you, Gina. So, if this is question, right?
Yeah.
Do you understand the material? So, the reported verb for the sentence is correct. Ask. Why? Because this is question, sentence, interrogative. Yes. Do you understand the material? But the reported speech for this one is Ilfa asked. We use if or whether. Whether, if we want to change into indirect speech, we change the subject. This is you. What? Yes. If I understand the material and the question mark is do you understand?
Yes.
So the sentence become the direct speech one is do you understand the material and the indirect one is Ilfa asks whether I understand the material. Okay, we come to the next example. Well, can you read it, Shogi?
Don't forget to come to the class on Saturday.
Don't forget to come to the class on Saturday. Afifah, can you tell me what Shogi said?
Shauki said that don't forget to come to the class
On?
on the Saturday.
Okay, please can you write in a little space? Yeah, use screen. Afifah, can you write? Shauki. There is eraser, Shauki. You can use it. Okay. Mami. Kaila, Mami. Berapa?
Oh my god. Right here, Miss.
Yes. If you cannot, just write.
No, I can't.
Okay. You are tall. I'm sorry, I'm short. So okay, that is good. Okay, thank you, Afifah.
Yes, Miss.
What is the yeah. So this one is like imperative. Don't forget to come to the class on Saturday. Please pay attention, students right there. Please pay attention to this. Don't forget to come to the class on Saturday. Shauki said to me that if it is imperative, we use not to forget that not to forget to come to the class on Saturday. Like that. Okay? But when you are brave to come come forward in front of the class and write your answer, you are did amazing. Give applause to yourself. Okay, I want to check your understanding. If you really understand, I want you to watch this video and then I will highlight the sentences and you will change it into indirect speech. This is my favorite movie actually. Do you know this film?
I know you. Yes.
Yes? You know this film?
What else?
Yes. What is apes? Apes is kind of monkey. Please pay attention. Hey, sorry. Apes. Wait a minute. Not the variant. Oh, I did wrong thing. I said to you, if we change the past tense, we change the tense, right?
Yes.
So if I ask whether I what? Understood. Yes. But in this one, Shauki said to me not to forget. Why? Because after to is always infinitive. Do you know infinitive? Infinitive is the best verb. See, not so. Do you understand?
Yes, yes.
I'm so sorry. Really sorry. Okay, hey, from this one. Apps. Do not want more. Okay, that is direct speech. Who knows what is the indirect speech? Shauki, can you do you want to try? Abina, do you want to try? Let me write One. Oh, okay. And there is one sentence again. Okay. We don't mean any harm. We don't mean any harm. Who knows what is the indirect speech of this one? We change we to they. They what? Say. Say or say? Say. So after say?
That.
They what?
Didn't.
Don't or didn't?
Didn't.
Okay, you understand material well. Give applause. Okay, so let me explain. Common verb in the indirect speech are this: say, tell, ask, explain, advise, promise, remind, warn, or suggest. So not only we usually use word say, or tell. Said and told me, said and told me. Actually, we have so many verbs. If the like this, the example is this one. This is imperative, right? Who did that? Who did this last time? Show. If the sentence don't forget to come to the class on Saturday, that is kind reminder, right? Reminder. So we can use to verb remind. Shauki remind to come to the class on Saturday. Do you understand?
Yes.
Yes. Say, tell us, explain, promise. This is the aspect that we change when we want to change the direct into the indirect. The first is the tense, present into the past, and pronoun. I become he, she, we become they, like that. And then time expression, today become that day. And place expression. If it is simple present, it becomes simple past. Simple past become past perfect. Present perfect become past perfect. Can become could. Will become would. What is about shall? S-H-A-L-L become should. Yes, should. And present continuous become past continuous. So if the sentence I am studying, so it's changed to what sentence? I am studying. I am studying is present continuous. So what is the past continuous of I am studying? I will study. Yes, because continuous use in. This one. If the direct speech is the declarative, do you know declarative? Declarative is just a sentence. Just a sentence, not a question.
Statement.
Yes, statement. And then said, I am fat. What is the meaning of fat? Yes. So the indirect speech is Ethan said that he was fat. We use the indirect verb. What is the indirect verb in here? Say. So it followed by that, and then he was fat. Was is us. Do you understand?
Yes, miss.
This is declarative. If this one imperative, imperative is Shauki close the door. Sit down, please. That is imperative. Change the verb into to infinitive. Do you know to infinitive, right? To infinitive is to read, to study, to learn, to learn, to learn. Close the door, please. He ordered me to close the door. To close the door. Do you understand?
Yes.
Okay. And then why? W H question. The subject and the verb switch places. Where is the hospital? It become he asked me where the hospital was. No, not he asked me where is the hospital. No, is in the middle. Where is the hospital? Is in the middle, right?
Yes.
If we want to change into indirect, is become past and it change into past. He asked me where the hospital was. What about if the sentence who are you? She asked me who I am or who I want. We change the tense. Who am I? Who I? Who I? Yes. Why not to change the tense? Okay. Okay. One example. One more. Where is Hilda? She asked me where Hilda was. Yes. Give a plus to yourself. Because my hand does too. I cannot make a big applause. If it is about yes or no question, do you have a pen? Use it or whether. Do you have a pen? He asked me if I had a pen. Not I had. We change the tense. So like this. Do you understand the material? If I ask whether or if I understand the material. Do you understand the material? Yes, Miss. Okay. So the explanation is that it comes for the alphabetic one. But before that, I want to divide you into groups that consist of 3. So how many of you? 1, 2. Oh, you want to be 3? Actually, I have. Three. Just a minute. I think I want just count you. Please, 1, 2, 3. Okay? No. Six. So please count until 6. But you one group. So until 5. 1, 2. Miss did it. 1. I forget. I'm 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4.
1, 2,
3.
4, 5.
Okay, please sit down with you.
1,
This may be
3, 2, 5.
Now may I ask you what is ini? Three, baby. Okay. So this is the alphabetic one. What is that? Let me show you in the slides. Look at these pictures below. The bubbles show a short conversation between three people. This one. They are gossip. The person one says something. This one in the television is the first one. Person two asks person three, what has she said? And the person three must report what person one said by using indirect speech. So you have to write in the empty bubble, this one, reported this one. You make indirect speech of this one. Do you understand? And also this one. There are two questions. Do you understand?
Yes.
But the bubble in this one is empty in this paper. So I want you to write what she said in the television. Please write it here. One group. I'm so sorry. Okay, miss. If you done question one, I will. Don't forget to change the tense. If you have any question or difficulties, ask me. You don't make a silly. Just make a silly. Yeah, I'm so sorry, guys. Okay, oh wait a minute. Dear friends. Oh, question two. Number one done. Have you done? Yes. Okay, question two. So, which one is the first person here? This one.
The teacher.
Yes, the teacher. The teacher is the first one. It is the first. So you have to make it. Oh yes. Thank you for pointing this. So you have to make indirect speech from this or this. Okay. Please go ahead. Finish? Yes. So, let me see if it is correct one. Oh my God. Finish?
Yes.
Casey? Okay. It's okay. Done? Okay. 2 minutes left. One minute left. Okay. Let's talk together. Let's discuss together. Group 1. Where is group 1? Group 1. What is your answer?
She said that
She said that
many people
many people
were
were waiting
outside the stadium.
outside the stadium. So, do you have same answer?
Yes, miss.
Do you change what? Do you change? You are. Make sure you change the pens here. Do you have the same answer?
Yes,
What?
miss.
What? Please read it for me.
The reporter reported that many people were waiting outside the stadium.
Okay. Do you have the same answer?
Yes,
Do you have the
miss.
same answer?
Yes, miss.
Okay. So you got 50 points.
Yay.
So the second question. Group 6. Oh, group you. You are the first selesai, ya?
Yes, miss. The teacher said that we all had done a good job.
Okay, good job. We all had
done a good job.
what group are you? Good. Do you have the same answer?
Yes, miss.
Do you have the same answer? Or you forget to change the text? Okay. So, who correct? Two question.
Our group meet.
So, Cassie, you don't correct?
Yes,
You correct two question?
Yes, miss.
No, you no. So, the girl group get 100 points. Let me make it in my absent that you get 100. Except boys, I don't know why boys. Woo! Okay, and then I have a game.
Yay.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Okay, 6. Please prepare one paper.
Yes, miss.
Make sure your group can run to the teacher desk. If your group suka berlari here, please cari tempat, please stick the place in your this one, alright. Wait a minute. Ham. Already. Have you already prepared the one paper and one pen?
Yes.
Okay. I have 5 direct speech. And what should you do? You have to change it into indirect speech. But just one person come here to take one paper, and you discuss to your friend what is the indirect speech. If you have the answer, please come forward and show to me. If the answer is correct, you may take another paper. If you are wrong, please go back to your seat and discuss again.
Yes.
Okay.
Who finished the first one? I mean, the group that answer 5 questions quickly, you will get the gift I present from me. The present is here. Do you understand? Yes. Let me ask you, where is group 1? Group 2? Group 3? 4? 5? Yes. 6? Group 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6.
Why 5 so far?
You should just move in. It's okay lah. Oh, wait a minute. Wait a minute. 2 minutes. Okay. Please, one person come to the front. Wait. Let's come. So, make sure you take just one. 1, 2, 3.
1, 2, 3.
Answer in your paper and show me your paper. Yes, that is direct. Change it into indirect. But ini indirect means indirect. There is tanda huruf, tanda petik. If it is direct.
Means I think this is wrong question.
Why? Area. I'm so sorry. Yes. Don't use indirect speech. Don't use tanda huruf, tanda petik lagi kan?
Oh yeah.
Please pay attention to the rules. So please turn another paper. This one. There is one more kurang. No. Question, do you remember whether there is one more. Give back. My friend. No, wrong. Whether or if my friend asked me no, incorrect. Okay, good job. Take another one. Make sure you take one. Dan dua tidak sama lagi. You can do it. My friend asked you. Yes. Oh yeah. Okay. You forget to change the tense. Oh yeah. My friend asked me if okay. Langsung pakai what? My friend asked me, what is the sentence? Can you come? Wow. No. Okay, good job. Mom said that. The teacher. Okay, good job. 5 minutes left. No, I. What is the doctor say?
Yes.
No.
The doctor said we need to drink more water. The doctor said that.
Change the tenses.
Apa aja lah.
Yes. Change it into two infinitive. No. Present become past. What? Yes. Okay. Where is it? Where? The doctor said that yes. Mom said that Okay, 3 minutes left. We have the winner. Please sit. Okay, so let's review a bit. The teacher asked, "Where is your homework?" What is the correct way? The teacher asked where my homework was. Yes, good job. And then the police officer said we will check the area again. The police said that they will check the area again. Okay. I want group boys answer this. Mom said don't play outside after dark. Oh, belum. Ya, belum. Mom said don't play outside after dark.
Mom said not to play outside.
Okay, not to play. My friend asked, "Can you come with me?" Your group didn't.
My friends would come with
Yes. So the last, the doctor said you need to drink more water. Who wants to answer this?
The doctor said that I needed to drink more water.
Good job. Please give applause to your. Even your group don't win this game, but you can get the knowledge from it. So I have this one. Your group win. This is Friday, right? If you count, so I will get the reward from Allah. Okay. And then we come to the next alphabet. What is this? This is time for you to make a dialogue. Okay. Work in a group of 3. You are in the 3. Write a short dialogue. 6 until 8 lines. Your dialogue must include at least 2 indirect, 2 direct. You are free to choose the situation. Up to you what is the situation. Make sure the grammar and punctuation are correct and write the dialogue in the space provided. Let me show you the example. Hi Ben, you were talking to Mr. Daniel this morning. What did he say? He told me that what is the first this one, direct or indirect? You were talking direct. So this one, he told me that we had to submit the essay by Friday. What is that? Okay, and then oh really? I thought the deadline was next week, no? And he also told us not to copy from the internet. What is the sentence? Direct or indirect? Indirect. Oh, that's hard. What else? He asked where we save our draft. What is this? Indirect. Did you tell him? Yeah. I said, oh, I save mine on Google Drive. Then he asked me if I could share it with him. What types of sentences is this? Direct? Okay, then. I'm so sorry. Haha, that sounds very easy. Oh, and he told me to remind you to check your grammar before submitting. What is this? He told me to remind you. Okay, so. See, I just have five this and you are 6. Oh. This one. Do you understand? You make 6 until 8 line and then you will. The example of the dialogue like that. To direct and to indirect. And in any other relation, yes, up to you. You may ask assignment to your friend or your mom told what your father said. Up to you. I give you 8 minutes. Please make a circle. Casey, make a circle. If you have any difficulties, please call me. What is that? Oh.
Talking about
Any other you may not this is just example. What written here is just example, yeah. Example. No. Up to you. What dialogue? Title up to you. Or your mother want to tell the message from your father. Your father told you not to go outside. Not this one. I mean, if you want to take this one, it's okay. But you may take another. This is just example. Okay, if you, it's okay if you want to use it. If it is not, it's okay. You may use any or Yes, means that will be belong to our person. But I just have one, not 3. So please understand the material. I will ask you who can answer my question will get my present. Ini kelas siapa? Kelas siapa dia? Oke. Ini bukannya kelas saya harusnya. Ini memang dari jam berapa?
Dari pagi.
Oh dari pagi. Pagi rekaman mikrotinci.
Tapi kelasnya dipakai ya?
Sebentar lagi balik.
Maksudnya masih selesai nggak kalau nggak masuk juga kayaknya? Harusnya mereka masih hari di sini. Yaudah pakai dulu aja lah ya. Masih dulu.
You done your work? Okay, 1 minute left. Yes. Faiza, how? Done? Okay. Time this up. Group, you group two? Please group two come forward to present your work. This presentation bernilai. You know what is the rubric? The pronunciation, the fluency, the expression and delivery, and also the teamwork. Do you did three of you did this one? No, just one of you? Okay. So the other group, please pay attention to the dialogue of group 2. Okay, group 2, go ahead. What situation? Who with who?
Me and Marella.
Okay, talk about what? I mean.
Talk about daily
Okay, daily activity.
class.
Okay.
Can I sit here?
Sure, go ahead.
You say, but sit here. So I did.
And you told me you were hungry earlier, right?
Is that the science book?
Yes, I handed it to you.
You said you would let me the book.
And you mentioned you needed it for homework.
Okay. Yes. Okay, so which one is the direct speech?
Direct is, can I sit here?
Okay, and the indirect speech, mention one indirect speech.
You say I will sit there. So I did.
Okay. Please give applause to group 2. Okay, sit down please. And then another group. You done? You done? Gina? Okay, please bring this one into next week and present them. Okay? Okay, so what we have learned today about what? Do you understand the material? Are you happy? Okay, because I think we are in rush, so my one present I don't give to anyone. Okay, thank you so much for your nice attention. I hope that you can apply the direct and indirect speech in your daily communication. Okay, thank you so much. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi